In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for a Wrike account step by step. Whether you're exploring new tools for project management or you're just curious about what Wrike has to offer, I'll guide you through the process seamlessly. To kick things off, open your web browser and navigate to Wrike's main website. Once you're on their homepage, head over to the spot where you see Try Wrike for free. This button is a gateway to experiencing Wrike firsthand without any upfront cost. A great opportunity to test drive all that Wrike offers. After clicking that Try for Free button, you'll be prompted to input some details. Usually, this will include your name and email address, so have those ready before you start. This is where you get to highlight yourself and tell Wrike who you are. Type in the required information into the highlighted fields. Don't rush, double check that everything's correct before moving on. Once you've filled in your information, click on Try Wrike for Free once more to proceed. This will take you to the next step where you'll need to fill in additional details. Again, look for the highlighted boxes and fill them out as instructed. Each of these fields might cover different aspects of your sign up, so make sure you're providing the necessary information. After that, it's time to hit Create Your Account. This is the moment where your journey with Wrike begins in earnest. Make sure all your entered information is complete and accurate, since from here, Wrike will start tailoring your experience based on these details. Once you've clicked Create Your Account, you will be guided through an onboarding process. Keep an eye out for any highlighted options and click on them, followed by the Next button. Depending on your preferences, Wrike might offer different setup options tailored to beginners or advanced users. If you're new to project management tools, selecting Beginner is an excellent way to start. It ensures Wrike's features are presented in a user-friendly manner, helping you ease into the platform. As you click Next through each instructional step, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the options presented. Each click advances you through the setup, aligning Wrike's features with your needs. Don't worry if it feels like information overload at first. Wrike's design helps ensure you become comfortable with the tool as you go along. Finally, you'll land in your new Wrike workspace. Congratulations! You're now all set to explore and manage projects efficiently with Wrike. With practice, you'll find yourself navigating through its features quite naturally. Whether you're handling single tasks or collaborating on complex projects, Wrike is a fantastic ally to have on your side. That's it for today's walkthrough. I hope signing up has been a breeze with these steps. Stay tuned for more tips on getting the most out of Wrike and making project management less stressful and more productive. Enjoy!